Okay, I hope you are doing well. And in our last video, we have created an AI agent, and sorry to say that it's useless because the same answers and the same things is given from the chat GPT, and you can explore chat GPT, and you can ask any question, you can get any information about that. But in our last video, we just learn how we can create an AI agent, and that was a simple AI agent. But now we are going to create a very amazing AI agent that help us to generate leads and save the leads data in the Google Sheet and help us to retrieve data from there. And before to start, here is a small announcement. Here is our AI community at school.com, and I will add this link in the video description. From that you can come here and join this community, and here in the classroom section, here you can get all my videos and access that the complete course. And here is also the other courses that give you very benefits and that are totally free for you. And so please join our community and come here and learn as much as you like. So let's get started, and we are going to create our AI agent that help us to generate leads and retrieve leads in a chat mode. And we are going to chat with the agent, and it will create leads in the Google Sheet, and it will also retrieve leads from this sheet. So let's start this. First of all, we need to add here the AI agent. Search here and click upon this, and this will add the AI agent with the chat node. Here is the chat node, and it is attached with the AI agent. Here we need to add the brain of the AI agent, and that will be any model you can choose. And if you have OpenAI key, you can pay that. You can choose OpenAI model from here. You can use that. And if you do not have credits and you do not like to pay and you want to use free, you can use Gemini. And here is a Grok a chat model that is also free. You simply click upon here, and to get the key, just come to grok.com. It's Grok AI. Here is, and just click upon this API key, and from here you log in, and after login you come here and you simply easily create your key and use here as a free resources. And I already added the account. I am not going to again. Just come back, and here in the tool we are going to attach the Google Sheet. Here you write Google Sheet, click upon this, and from here you will create the credentials. If you do not create it already, just click upon here, and here you have a login or sign up like button, and you will click upon this and you allow the access, and you will come here and your credentials will be created like this, and it will be saved and created like this. And now we are going to get the rows, and here we will select the leads. We are going to select here this sheet. This is here, and here we're going to select the sheet number 1, and that come from here sheet number. And no, it's finalized for get rows. We rename this get leads. Back to canvas, and this is a tool that our agent will use to get the leads. And now we are going to add a new tool that will help us to add the leads. Google Sheet, and from here you change the operation to add, append or update row. Okay, and here you choose the sheet, Google Sheet, and here you will choose the sheet number. Here it is asking how you find the matching column. So mostly the email is unique for the users. So for finding the matching columns to update the records, and we will choose the email. And here for this we click upon this button, and this button will help to append the information automatically by the AI agent, and we do not need to worry about how the name is inserted in the name section, email is inserted in the email, and phone number. This all will controlled by the AI agent. So come back and rename this. This is a very long name, and we need to rename this as short name, add and update leads. And now the main point is come, and that is we need to give the prompt to the AI agent what it should do and how it should do. So for this purpose, we are need to give him a system prompt. Here is a system prompt, and here is a simple prompt. By default, it is a helpful assistant. We do not need that, and we are going to set him, you are a leads generation and retrieval agent. Here is our prompt. You are a lead generation and referral agent, and you will help to revise the agency leads and generate the leads for user. Here is our final prompt, which is ready, and prompt is very important in the AI agent. And here we are saying that you are responsible for generate leads and give us the information about the leads. And for lead generation, you need to use add or append the leads tool. So this name is very important. We need to give the same name as we give the tool. And for retrieve the information, use get leads. And here's these two, and these names should be same as we given this name. And now our agent is ready to use. Just test this, click upon here, and we need to chat with this, and it will automatically add the leads and retrieve the leads. So we are writing how many leads you have. The agent is going to use the get leads. This model is not supported, and we are going to change the model. Here is Queen model is a good model, and we're going to use this model. Go back and again test this. How many leads you have? It's going to retrieve the information from the Google Sheet, and it's giving us we have 2 leads, and here is the name, email, and phone number. And here is this, and we are going to this email. Now we are going to this email to update the name of this, and here we please add this lead in the database. Name is Ali Ahmed, and email is gmail.com, and we are going to give this email again, and our agent will match this email with this and update this from here. Is saying I need a phone number that is missing, and now we are going to add the phone number again. We are copy this and giving the phone number, that is we are going to give a random phone number, and now we are to send this time. It's update the Google Sheet. Come here, and it will take some time to reflect the changes, and here you can see it's update. It's not add the new row, and it's find this and update this. So this is a very useful AI agent for us, and this is not a simple or useless like our previous one. And now we get more professional, and we have created an AI agent that can control the system, and who can generate the leads and then also give us the information about the leads. And now we are going to publish this. So for publish this, we need to come here and make it chat publicly available, and we need to copy this URL, go back, and just we need to activate this and saved. And now our agent workflow is active, and we have a public chat URL here, and we're going to paste this and this. Now our agent is ready to use, and if you want to change these informations, you can come here and you can change all these from here. And we're going to chat with this, hi, hello. And if you want to lead add and need information, add a new lead, name is John, and email is john@gmail.com, and phone number is okay. It say that is added, and let me know if you want to add another update. From here you can check, you can see our new lead is added here, and our AI agent is working fine, and we publish this. And so we did too much today, and in our next video we'll do a professional level lead generation workflow, and that will be really amazing, and we will generate leads from LinkedIn. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and join our community. Thank you.